Gambella newly selected leader in government. Mrs. Alemitu. UMID has said that the determination of the leadership should be strengthened to benefit the people of Gambella region regarding economic, social, and political issues. The people of Gambella have introduced new candidates with their cabinet members. From Gambella Region Government Communication Affairs Office, August-October 2016 EC. The Regional President, Mrs. Alemitu UMID and Vice President Dr. Gatluak Ruon, introduced the cabinet members who were appointed as Vice President. As Mrs. Alemitu UMID said on the introduction stage, the cabinet members have a foremost responsibility to ensure the overall peace and development of the region. The cabinet members have realized that the role of the region should be strengthened in order to take the region to a new chapter by working with honesty. In addition to the introductory agenda, UN OCHA, in cooperation with the Regional Disaster Prevention, the DRM strategy plan was presented and approved by the cabinet members. It has been suggested that the plan will be implemented by foreigners from 2024 to 2028, and it is said to reduce the natural and man-made accidents in the region. It is stated in the proposed plan that 182 million BER is needed to implement the strategic plan. The cabinet members have set direction in the future work, especially peace, development, and good governance. In this way, it has been shown that the determination of the leadership is crucial to carry out effective activities that will benefit the whole people in the region. In economic, social, and political issues,